Salamanders, a symphony of survival and wonder. Exploring the intriguing lives and legends of nature's shape-shifters.
By AI for Kids. In a world abundant with miracles, the salamander stands out as a beacon of transformation and resilience. This book invites you on an enlightening journey through the life cycle and legends of this enigmatic creature. From their astonishing ability to regenerate to their vital ecological roles, and from historical myths to conservational challenges, salamanders are a testament to the enduring enchantment of nature's wonders. Together, let's delve into the stories that show us the miracle of life through the eyes of the salamander. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Masters of Regeneration, Salamander's Secret Skill.
Dive into the fascinating world of the salamander, where extraordinary biological feats are commonplace. Known for their remarkable ability to regenerate lost body parts, these captivating creatures can replace limbs, tails, and even parts of their hearts and brains. This crucial adaptation not only aids in survival but has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Salamanders' regenerative prowess is a symbol of resilience and transformation in the natural world.
Observe the delicate salamander, a quiet marvel of nature poised to reveal its incredible hidden talent of regrowing body parts with ease. In the tranquil realm of the forest, I, the salamander, feel a surge of life as my lost limb returns, a testament to nature's wonders.
A stroll in the salamander's wetland home.
Salamanders thrive in moist or aquatic environments found in forests, wetlands, and streams. These damp habitats provide not only a haven for survival but also reveal the salamander's intricate relationship with its surroundings. Their embrace of the wet earth and concealed hideaways reflect a dance with nature's cycles, showcasing adaptability and resilience. Nestled in North America, Europe, and parts of Asia, salamanders are integral to these ecosystems.
Within the lush, green embrace of wetlands, salamanders find sanctuary. Their presence embodies the essence of damp earth and hidden wonders. Each droplet on a leaf echoes the comfort of home, a symphony of damp tranquility cradles me, the salamander, as I roam.
The nocturnal dance of the salamander.
As the sun dips below the horizon, salamanders come to life. These predominantly nocturnal creatures prefer solitude, emerging under the cloak of night to explore their world. This secretive nature aids in survival, allowing them to dance through the shadows, unseen and unbothered. Over quiet forest floors and secret waterways, the salamander's behavioral adaptations highlight a mysterious and enchanting dance with the darkness.
Under the veil of night, the salamander's world awakens. Cloaked in shadows, they navigate with a grace known only to nighttime dwellers. In the silent serenade of the midnight forest, I glide through the shadows, feeling the whisper of ancient instincts guide me.
A varied palate, the diet of salamanders.
Salamanders are carnivorous connoisseurs of the animal kingdom. Their varied diet consists of insects, worms, snails, and small aquatic organisms. This diverse menu not only supports their growth and regeneration abilities but also plays an essential role in balancing the ecosystem. As they hunt, salamanders control insect populations, demonstrating their role as avid hunters and crucial contributors to their ecological communities.
With keen senses and agile movements, the salamander embarks on a nightly quest to satisfy its carnivorous cravings. Each meal not only nourishes my body but also strengthens the fragile balance of my home ecosystem.
Passionate performers, salamanders courtship.
As spring's warmth envelopes the landscape, salamanders engage in a delicate ballet of courtship. Breeding usually occurs in water, with males performing intricate dances to woo their partners. This ethereal display of affection results in females laying hundreds of eggs in moist environments, ensuring the persistence of life. The rituals of salamander reproduction reflect deep connections within nature's symphonic cycles.
In serene waters, the salamander's courtship ritual unfolds, a captivating performance born from the tender echoes of spring. Within these gentle ripples, I feel the ancient rhythm pulling me towards union, promising the renewal of life.
Nature's role, salamanders as ecological linchpins.
The ecological significance of salamanders is profound. As both predator and prey, they play a pivotal role within the food web, helping maintain insect populations while also serving as sustenance for birds, mammals, and larger amphibians. This intricate balance underscores the interconnectedness of life, with salamanders as key players in fostering healthy and dynamic ecosystems that thrive on diversity.
In the tapestry of life, salamanders weave connections, balancing the ecosystem with their role as both hunter and the hunted. Every interaction, each whispered breath, reminds me of the balance I help maintain in this delicate tapestry of life.
Guardians of survival, salamanders conservation.
The conservation status of salamanders varies, with many species threatened due to habitat loss, pollution, and disease. The Chinese giant salamander, for example, is critically endangered. Protecting these creatures is vital to preserving biodiversity and the essential roles salamanders play in their habitats. Conservation efforts focus on combating these threats, highlighting the importance of safeguarding nature's balance.
In a changing world, salamanders stand as poignant symbols of what is at stake, and what is still possible to save. Amid efforts to protect my kind, each small victory shines like a star, guiding us towards hope and renewal.
Legends of fire, salamanders in myth and culture.
Salamanders have long enchanted human imagination, appearing in myths and legends as creatures of fire. Perhaps born from observing them escape burning logs, they became symbols of transformation and adaptability, cherished in various cultural narratives. The salamander's mythological aura endures, blending scientific wonder with cultural fascination, honoring their enduring legacy.
From ancient tales to modern wonders, salamanders continue to captivate hearts as mystical beings of fire and transformation. Within my humble form, legends and truths dance together, a living story of resilience and intrigue across ages.